Hey everyone, have you been working hard on those abs but just aren't seeing the results? Or maybe you've tried every workout and diet trick in the book, yet that six-pack seems like a distant dream? Well, you're not alone. Getting abs can feel nearly impossible, especially with all the myths and misleading advice out there. But here's the good news. It doesn't have to be that complicated or frustrating. Today, I'm sharing a step-by-step guide that cuts through all the noise and focuses on what actually works. In this video, I'll walk you through the exact steps to make real progress and reveal those abs faster than you thought possible. From key diet changes to the most effective workout techniques and even simple lifestyle tips, we'll cover it all. And don't worry, this isn't about spending hours in the gym or giving up everything you love. It's about smart, sustainable changes that deliver real results. So if you're ready to finally see those abs without the hassle, stick around because this ultimate guide will get you there. Let's dive in and unlock your potential. Understanding body fat and abs. Before diving into workouts and diets, it's crucial to understand how body fat impacts your abs. Here's the truth. Everyone has abdominal muscles, but they're often hidden beneath a layer of fat. To make abs visible, you need to reduce your overall body fat percentage, not just do hundreds of crunches. While genetics play a role in how fat is stored and where it's lost, achieving visible abs generally means reaching around 10 to 15% body fat for men and 15 to 20% for women. However, this process isn't instant. It involves consistent changes in diet, workouts, and even lifestyle habits. And one more thing, there's no such thing as a spot reduction, meaning you can't target fat loss in just your belly by working out your abs alone. Instead, a whole body approach to fat loss is essential. Keeping these points in mind will set realistic expectations and help you avoid common pitfalls along the way. Nutrition, the foundation for abs. Abs aren't just made in the gym, they're made in the kitchen. If you want to reveal those abs, focusing on nutrition is essential. The first step, achieve a caloric deficit, which simply means burning more calories than you consume. This deficit helps reduce body fat, making those abdominal muscles more visible. But it's not just about cutting calories, it's about what you eat too. Prioritize lean proteins like chicken, fish, and legumes, which support muscle repair and keep you feeling full. Add fiber-rich carbs, think whole grains, vegetables, and fruits to provide energy for workouts without causing blood sugar spikes. And don't forget healthy fats from sources like avocado and nuts, which help with hormone regulation and satiety. Lastly, stay hydrated. Drinking enough water reduces bloating, aids digestion, and keeps your metabolism functioning at its best. Mastering these nutrition basics will speed up your progress and make all the difference in your journey to visible abs. Effective ab workouts. To get visible abs, your workout routine needs more than just crunches. The key lies in combining compound exercises with targeted ab exercises for maximum fat burning and core strengthening. Compound moves like squats, deadlifts, and burpees work multiple muscle groups at once, raising your heart rate and boosting calorie burn, essential for reducing overall body fat. Once you've incorporated compound movements, add in core-focused exercises that directly target the abdominal muscles. Moves like planks, mountain climbers, and leg raises engage the entire core, helping to define and strengthen the muscles. Aim to work out your core 2 to 3 times a week, giving yourself rest days in between for muscle recovery. To get started right away, try a quick, high-intensity ab routine, such as 30-second intervals of bicycle crunches, Russian twists, and plank holds. By combining these exercises, you'll burn fat, build muscle, and get one step closer to revealing those abs. Lifestyle tips to accelerate results. Building abs isn't just about diet and exercise. Your lifestyle choices play a huge role in achieving results. One critical factor? Sleep. Getting 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep each night allows your body to recover, repair muscles, and regulate hunger hormones. Lack of sleep can increase cravings and slow down your metabolism, making it harder to lose fat. Managing stress is another key element. High stress levels lead to elevated cortisol, a hormone linked to fat storage, especially around the belly. Incorporate stress-relieving activities like meditation, deep breathing exercises, or even a daily walk to help keep cortisol levels in check. Finally, consistency is king. While it might be tempting to look for shortcuts, sustainable progress requires sticking to a balanced routine over time. Remember that small, daily habits add up, and with commitment, you'll see results. Focusing on these lifestyle habits alongside diet and exercise will get you closer to your goal, faster and more sustainably. Common pitfalls to avoid. When working toward visible abs, it's easy to fall into common traps that can slow your progress. First, avoid overtraining your abs. While it might seem logical to train them daily, muscles need rest to grow. Instead, focus on training your core 2 to 3 times per week and balance it with full-body workouts. Another major pitfall is neglecting your diet. No matter how intense your workouts are, ignoring nutrition can keep your abs hidden. Remember, fat loss is essential for definition, and that's achieved through a combination of a calorie deficit and balanced nutrition. Lastly, be cautious of expecting instant results. Social media and fitness trends often give the impression that abs can appear overnight, but true progress takes time and consistency. Set realistic goals and stay patient. Avoiding these pitfalls will help you stay on track and prevent burnout, keeping you motivated on your journey to defined, visible abs. Achieving visible abs isn't magic, it's the result of consistent effort across diet, exercise, and lifestyle. Let's recap. Reducing body fat through a caloric deficit and balanced nutrition is step 1. Combine that with effective workouts that include both compound and core-focused exercises, and you're on the right path. But don't forget that sleep, stress management, and consistency are just as important to make progress faster. Remember, this journey is about sustainable changes, not quick fixes. By avoiding common mistakes, like overtraining or expecting overnight results, you're setting yourself up for long-term success. It might take time, but the payoff is worth it. Stick with these steps, and you'll be amazed at the transformation you'll see not just in your abs, but in your overall fitness and confidence. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more fitness tips, and share your progress in the comments. Stay motivated, and let's crush those goals together.